Man, I have to go to school. And I hate school. Crap. It's Bradley. Jackson, time for school. Jackson, stop being a brat. And go to school now, or else you're grounded. Okay, fine. Man, I have go to school in the snow again. Wah! Good morning, class. And today we're talking about math. Hunter.
What?
Can I go to the bathroom?
No.
Because you remember the last time you went, you ditched school. I want to go to the bathroom now.
No.
But I'm gonna piss in my pants if I don't go. Ugh, fine. But we're checking at the cameras. What should I do? I can't ditch school. I got it. I'll just pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Now it's the time to pull the fire alarm.
Oh my God!
It's the fire alarm. Everyone go outside. Okay, class. Sorry about what happened. It was the fire alarm that went off. Ha 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 ha. Jackson, what are you laughing about? Wait, did you pull the fire alarm? Yes. Oh. Jackson, how dare you pull the fire alarm?
Guess what?
You are going to Red B. Watt's office for your field trip. Go now. Wah! Ugh, what? I just pulled the fire alarm. Oh, my God. Oh. Jackson, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You are expelled. And I'm calling Bradley right now. No. Is this Bradley? Yes, I am. What happened? You're not gonna be happy, but Jackson did the worst thing. He pulled the fire alarm. He did? I'm gonna pick him up. Man, that stupid Jackson. I have to pick him up and grounded and he will be slapped. Where's Jackson? He ran away. I will find him. Jackson, you are coming home with me. And you know what is gonna happen? You are gonna be grounded while we get home. No. Too bad. Oh my God, Jackson. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for life. Go to your room right now while I destroy your PlayStation 4. No. Not my PlayStation 4. Too bad. I have it and I will destroy it.
No.
Please don't destroy my PlayStation 4. Jackson, I'm not buying you a new computer, a phone, Xbox One, and a PlayStation 4. And don't ever tell me why. Now stay in your room and think about what have you done. Wah!